Oh wow,
Holy shit.
I've never done that before.
Just run into that building, man.
No, I just like flew right up over it.
And it looked like you just literally ran there into it. I was like, is he planning to stop?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to clip that because on my screen it was like I took an invisible ramp right over the truck, or right over that building.
Uh,
That was cool. Not gonna lie.
uh,
Man, we ain't heard from Damien. Oh wait, here we go. I got back. Oh, he said he got back in, but he's gonna call it a night. So, okay. So
would I have a car?
you
'Cause I don't have a car. I came with him.
where you want to go? You want to go down to the next shop?
Let's see.
Oh, here, I'll pull the car.
Doesn't matter.